Styrofoam is often seen as nothing more than trash. But from now on, don't throw it away. In this video, I'll show you a creative idea that will definitely surprise you. You don't need any special kind of styrofoam. Any type will do, even the ones used for packing electronic items. The first step is to prepare a cutter, then cut the styrofoam into smaller pieces. Which country are you watching this video from? Write it in the comments to let me know. I'm so happy that we can connect with each other from all around the world. Next, prepare a container. Any type will work. Place the styrofoam pieces you've prepared into it. Then, take some WD-40 and spray it onto the styrofoam inside the container. WD-40 contains hydrocarbon solvents, which are oil-based substances that can easily dissolve styrofoam. Aside from WD-40, you can also use other solvents such as acetone, gasoline, or thinner. These liquids contain special solvents that can easily dissolve styrofoam. As you pour them in, you'll see the styrofoam gradually melt down, changing its form until it turns into a thick, glue-like substance. Never underestimate styrofoam. With a touch of creativity and the right knowledge, you can turn it into something beyond your expectations. The results can be truly amazing, and even make your everyday tasks much easier. Next, prepare one more ingredient that's easy to find at home: baking soda. Add it to the dissolved styrofoam mixture you've already made. Baking soda has alkaline properties and can react with certain chemicals, making it perfect to combine with liquid styrofoam to create a denser, more moldable texture. There's no need to measure the exact amount. Just watch how the texture changes. The mixture will look like thick glue, but it's still easy to shape and apply as needed. Take a look at this mixture. The texture is neither too runny nor too thick, making it very easy to apply. You can use this mixture for various purposes, and in this video, I'll show you one of its practical uses. You can use this mixture to repair sandals or shoes with soles that have come loose or detached. The process is simple. First, clean the area you want to fix. Then apply the mixture evenly onto the sole of the sandal or shoe that needs repairing. Instead of buying glue to fix your sandals or shoes, or even spending money on a brand new pair, you can actually make your own adhesive using simple, easy-to-find materials. With just 3 ingredients, all of which are commonly available at home, you can create a surprisingly strong glue. Don't underestimate the strength of this simple mixture. When dissolved styrofoam is combined with baking soda, it creates a thick, sticky substance that hardens quickly. These properties make it an excellent alternative to store-bought glue for everyday repairs. For the best results, you can use a brush to apply this mixture. But since my brush seems to be misplaced, I'm just using a wooden stick this time. Even with something as simple as this, the method still works perfectly well if you don't have a brush available. Once you've applied the mixture, press the loose sole of the sandal back into place. To keep it from coming apart, you can use duct tape to hold it together. For a stronger result, you may also use clamps. If neither is available, simply place a heavy object on top to keep the sole firmly pressed. The key is to ensure that the glued surface stays tightly closed, so the adhesive can bond properly. Keep in mind that every type of glue has a different drying time. Some cure quickly while others take longer. For this mixture, it's best to leave the sandal for about 24 hours to ensure a strong and lasting bond. After leaving it for 24 hours, let's check the results. First, I'll carefully remove the tape one by one. Unfortunately, I used a little too much of the mixture, which caused it to overflow onto the sides due to the pressure from the tape. So when you try this yourself, make sure to use just the right amount. This serves as a good lesson. Being careful with the application will give you cleaner and better results. Before cleaning it up, let's first test its strength. The result is truly impressive. the sandal sole is firmly reattached. When I tried pulling it apart, it didn't come off at all. This proves that the mixture works perfectly as a glue substitute. To clean up the excess that spilled over the sides, you can scrape it off using a small knife or similar tool. Since the mixture bonds very strongly to the sandal's surface, you'll need a bit of extra effort or the right tool to tidy it up. You might be wondering, why not just buy a new pair of sandals? The answer is, it's not about the price, but about creativity. It's about finding ways to make use of the simple things around us and turning them into something truly useful. Instead of throwing things away, why not repair them yourself? Not only does it save money, but it also encourages creativity. And it doesn't stop with sandals or shoes. This mixture can also be used to fix other broken items. In other words, this DIY mixture works like a super strong glue that can be incredibly handy in everyday life. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, make sure to hit the subscribe button and join our community. We've got plenty of exciting ideas to share with you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to click like. Your support truly motivates us to keep creating more creative content. Also, share this idea with your friends or family. It might be useful for them in the future. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.